Hey guys, Seaton HVAC, but this video is going to be Seaton sports cars. You can tell it's a lazy Saturday, but I have a hobby. I have collectibles that I like to collect, and I'm real proud of my sports car collection, and it continues to grow, and I hope you appreciate it. And if you don't like it, you can click off and fuck off if you want to. I don't care. But I want to bring some more traffic over into my sports card channel, and hopefully some of you guys can come over there and check it out. So I'd appreciate it if you did. Hey guys, Seaton Sports Cards here. So I have a fairly successful HVAC channel, heating, ventilation, air conditioning channel, but I want to try to work on this channel a little bit. So I kind of focus on unopened stuff for the most part, as you can tell. I got a bunch, and I'm buying some of the new stuff too. So I got the Tops 2025 Tops flagship collection, and then back there I have some of the super boxes from last year and this year. I've already bought some of the Heritage stuff this year. Some of the Bowman stuff this year, and then I also have some, so I try to focus on PSA 10 stuff, but some of the stuff I just picked up over the years and I put in the case. I need to reorganize it, but I have lots and lots and lots, I'll say lots again, of unopened stuff. I got some obscure stuff. If you see anything you like, let me know. I got my birthday card from a while back, but I got lots and lots and lots and lots of unopened stuff that I think the unopened stuff's going to be worth a lot more in the future. This box here is completely full of Julio Rodriguez rookie cards and second-year cards. I got some obscure stuff in there. I don't send cards off the PSA, so probably should, but I don't. I buy them that way. And I got some obscure stuff up here that I think is pretty cool. Hopefully the camera captures it. Old Jack Morris rookie card, Bill Buckner signed rookie card. Sorry, I'm not getting a good shot of that Bill Buckner signed rookie card. Some Will Clark stuff, Jamar Chase. Just stuff I like, not stuff that's worth a bunch of money. Tony Gwynn and Will Clark. It looks like Will Clark with Juan Gonzalez, Jamar Chase. Just obscure stuff. Picked this up at a card show. It's the Bowman 94 set, and it's got a Tony Gwynn autographed baseball there. I need to fix that so the autograph's showing, but sealed. Just cool stuff I like. Forget about the Trump thing. I got Russell Wilson, Seahawks team sets back in there. Stuff's kind of covered up. Some more graded stuff. Mahomey, DK Metcalf, Joe Burrow. And then here's some of my other graded stuff. Some of it, it's PGI, kind of like Facebook crap, but some of them are good. I got BCC stuff and PSA stuff. I got some good, that's a good one. I got the 2023 Leaf Metal Shohei Ohtani Gold Wave 1 of 1. He's still at the Angels there. Bryce Young, bunch of graded Julio Rodriguez stuff. I'm in the Pacific Northwest, so I like that. Fernando Tatis. I got Vladimir Guerrero, some Juan Soto stuff, which is pretty cool. Let's go over here. And this is kind of the stuff I'm just kind of geek out on, my being a kid. But anyway, so I got Romadunze, Shohei. I got a CJ Stroud limited card, a short print card. Jamar Chase. Some early Mike Trout stuff. Juan Soto. What else? Oh, I got a couple of Kobe Bryant Sky High 2001, both Gem Mint 10s. I think there's only like 8 of them. Maybe I'm wrong. Victor Wembanyama, if I can say it. Kyler Murray, Mahomey, and then what I grew up in. My Tony Gwynn stuff. I got lots of Tony Gwynn stuff. There's this rookie cards up there. Really love Tony Gwynn. Old Reggie Jackson, old Yankees set from, I don't know, what is that, 85 tops? Some more Tony Gwynn stuff, Gary Sheffield, some Padres team sets, Mother's Cookie sets, 93, 95, cool stuff. And then my DK Metcalf, Catch Me If You Can poster. But anyway, yeah, so I got lots of stuff. I keep building to it. I keep buying stuff. And, you know, eventually this is going to be like 10 times the size. But hope you guys enjoyed looking at my set. And good night.